guys, this is a video where we're going to be doing a Mega Walls, and it has just been starting, and you have to wait a lot for this video because there's like millions of people. Ooh, hi, whoa, am I? Come on, you gotta be kidding. Why do I always get these stuff? Come on, no! Ow, that hurt. Let's look over here, because last time I played this map, there was a chest around here, I think. Not over there? Yeah, on this side. On this side there was. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. Or I could just be imagining that. But I looked in it, there's so good stuff. Ooh. Whoa, yeah, there it is. Whoa, good start. I got, whoa, sick. It's amazing. Ooh. Oh, and sorry about the sound. I'm not talking that well. And now I will. Yeah! Tra-la-la! And let's get this iron. It's gonna be 8 minutes. Oh, let's turn the sound up. Yeah, the sound's just a bit up. Ooh, very special. Very special. Ooh, wow, that just scared me a bit. That just appeared in my face. Seriously, cobblestone, but you can give. At least I got. Well, 24 should be enough because last time I have to wait ages, like ages. So much time. I wasted so much. Wait, this just is ridiculous. Your friends. What? And okay, can we get this? Come on. Oh, and I'm still not talking louder. Well, now I promise I am. Okay, let's get this iron. See, I'm talking louder. And yeah, let's get my coal so I can smelt these. How much? I need a bit more. That could be enough. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, let's get in here so no one's gonna steal our stuff. But first, I'll need a bit of wood. Oh, and I'm gonna protect my wither, my red wither, because you can't respawn without your wither. Ooh, I think that was the one I got. Ooh, I might need these coal. Not you iron, these coal. I need you coal, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need that. I need all coal I can find. Let's look around here. Whoa, ow. Whoa, is that a green team? Oh, I'm in green team. Didn't know that. Forgot it. Let's get this coal. Let's get this coal. There's gotta be. Oh, I just said there's gotta be. There's like, whoa, a lot. Ooh, let's steal some of this. You can lose your friends running furnaces. What? Whoa. This is the wrong way. Oh, I'm gonna talk. Let's build a base. Sorry if you guys saw my hand when I was typing, but that's all I could do. Oh, and no need for that. But yes, we always need that. And people just don't get it. Oh. Well, I am. Sorry guys, if you saw my hand again. But that's the best I can do. Let's go to my wither now. Wither. I need to stay in my wither. 4 more minutes until it gets down. Whoa. Oh, get. Whoa. That was creepy. Whoa. Did not see that coming. And yeah, I'm talking not that good again. Sorry again. I'm really sorry. Let's get up here. And where I was last time wasn't that good. So I'm gonna go to a new place. Whoa. Now. And come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on. Ooh, anything? Anything? Oh, nothing. Has the walls? Whoa. Is this like a village? Come on. Is anything there? Ooh, snow completed. Whoa. Some from these. Sorry if you got my hands again, but I need these. I need loot. Give loot. Give loot. Give me loot. Give loot. Give loot. Come on! Are you guys mean? Don't be mean. All I ever wanted to be was your friend. Give me loot. I said now. You can't place what? I'm trying to sit down. And don't worry about that. That's just a figure or something. A bit fun. A bit like a toy. But just ignore that. And whoa. That sounded like a monster actually. I'm not just being mean, like that was a bit mean to interrupt the video. But it's all it can do. Oh, can I use your crafting table? Come on. I mean, yes! I got to use your crafting table. Yay. Let's get myself in furnace. Furnace. Mind that. Let's go over here. And let's get my mining started. Got one. Got some loot. Come on, get out of here. Come on. Yeah. Listen up. Put these. Come on, let's get started. Whoa. 50 seconds until this. How'd you get that? What? What stuff? Wait. No one touch my AK or I will kill you. Who played COD Advanced Warfare? Let's get this. Hey, stop. Excuse me. Whoa. That's just weird. Let's get that. Let's get that. And let's see how this is going. Good. Ooh, don't steal my iron. That dude, so mean. Got my back. Xbox 360 is not true. Seriously not true. Whoa, the walls. Whoa, that was creepy. The walls has just awoken. Hey! No! No! I'm dying. I'll see you. I'm still here. Yeah. Let's get this stuff back. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Mega Skywars. I'm gonna end this right here. So see ya and stay peace.